No instructions, guys. No instructions. We don't need them. Little tiny wheels. Pop them right in. It's kind of self-explanatory. I mean, maybe because I've been doing this since I was a kid. Figuring shit out, you know. Legos. This is dope. I'm not gonna cap. This is pretty tight. I fuck with it. So, I wanted the one with the bag. It's a lot smaller, but we had it in Pleasanton. My boy Jose, shit was clean. So, see? So I gotta figure it out. So I figured, oh, okay, cool, boom. So I need to take it back off. So let's figure it out. So I'm guessing. Oh, okay. Jump the gun. Pretty cool. So it's got little holes on top, so I was thinking it's gonna come from the bottom, but it's not. Screws. You don't got a magnetic tip, that sucks. Not bad. Ah, what the heck? Feeling under the weather. It's no excuses though. So I'm guessing these are gonna go right here somewhere. So, bam. Probably for the hose. Seems legit. Don't worry about that, guys. You will drop a screw or two. That's no cap. If you don't drop a screw, you are the best. Little tiny little stuff. I have a longer one, but I was being lazy and I didn't want to go get it because I wanted to shoot a video. So, last screw. Bam. So this is for that hose. Look, it fits perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but it fits perfect. Bam. So this will go on top of there. Has a little lock on it. Pretty dope. So put this bad boy in. Check the suction. Oh! Wow. That's nice. So this is gonna go somewhere in the back. Got the clips. So here it is, guys. Bam. So for my stuff. Got a whole box full of stuff. Cool. Cool. Got connectors and stuff. Long one for your car detailers. Big suction cup. So this one's for like car. See how it's smaller? These big ones are for this hose. All the small ones are gonna be for the car dealer hose. It's got a suction in the bottom. How small? This is a special hose. Actually, it's a better hose. It's better. This one's like kind of cheap. This will be for the garage, and then this will be for like the shop. Straight up. Ah. Wow, it's cool. So pretty dope. This is gonna go like right here. Okay, you put one on the side right here, and then you put the other one like right here, and it just locks in. That's cool. I guess. That's what's up. Yeah, kind of. What the heck is this? I don't know what that's for, but. Oh, see, they don't come with the little filter right here. That sucks. I kind of want to complain now. So you want to use these attachments, you got to use the big hose. It's pretty cool. You could do like the floor, take it inside the house if you want. Keep that for just inside the house. Car stuff inside. Got rubber grips. So it has a lock. Oh, a lock. Maybe you put it like that and you twist it. Yeah, I guess so. It's a lock. Yeah, it's pretty tight though. I fuck with this one. I don't know, we'll see. I guess I'll have to test it out first, right?